Welcome to today's video. We're addressing a common issue many Telegram users face: videos not playing. If you're stuck in this frustrating situation, don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are some updated steps to help you get your Telegram videos working smoothly again. 1. Check your internet connection. The first and most crucial step is ensuring a stable internet connection. Sometimes, switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can resolve the issue. 2. Restart your device. If your internet connection is stable but the videos still won't play, try restarting your device. This quick fix can solve many performance-related problems. 3. Clear Telegram's cache. Over time, the app's cache can accumulate and impact performance. To clear it, open Settings on your phone. Tap on Apps and find Telegram. Select Storage and hit Clear Cache. 4. Update the Telegram app. Keeping your apps up to date is essential for optimal performance. Open the Google Play Store, search for Telegram, and tap Update if a newer version is available. 5. Download the video. If the video isn't playing while streaming, try downloading it to your device. Once downloaded, check if it plays smoothly in your device's gallery. 6. Check Telegram servers. If the issue persists, it might be related to Telegram's servers. Visit websites like Down Detector to see if other users are reporting similar issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve video playback issues on Telegram. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.